Dear shareholders, good afternoon. 2022 turned out to be an extraordinary year. In the beginning of the year, and after dealing with the last wave of COVID restrictions, we witnessed Russia's invasion of Ukraine. This brutal action caused significant human suffering and societal and financial uncertainty across Europe. At the same time, we witnessed quite significant changes in the economic environment. We returned to a more normal interest rate environment after a decade of extremely expansive monetary policy. One of the biggest financial experiments in many decades. This was a step towards returning to a more normalized market environment. In the financial market, we saw the worst combined returns across bond and equity markets since the late 60s, as inflation and interest rates shifted materially higher. Despite the turbulent times, Nordea had yet another strong year. In February 22, we set a new financial target, a return on equity above 13% in 25. We also launched our updated strategy at our Capital Markets Day. We acted quickly and decisively after the war in Ukraine started. We implemented imposed sanctions following the invasion. In response to the humanitarian crisis resulting from the war, we made significant donations and participated in international relief efforts to support the people of Ukraine. In our everyday actions, we stood by our customers and societies that we serve. We expanded our lending activities and provided proactive advice and support in the uncertain environment. The fundamentals of our business remain unchanged. Our focus is, and always will be, to serve our customers to the best of our ability. Without the trust and loyalty of our customers, we would not be where we are today. Our decisive customer focus and proactive approach led to a strong financial performance in 2022. We continued to drive high business activity by broadening our savings offering and proactively supporting our customers with their financial needs and risk management. Our customer satisfaction scores are continuously improving in all channels. For example, we were ranked the #1 mobile bank for private customers in the Nordics and #1 for mass market corporates among our Nordic peers. We will continue to develop our digital products and services with a human touch. We will also leverage data insights and analytics to drive even more personal and relevant services for our customers. This will ensure that we can deliver a seamless omni-channel customer experience. We want to fulfill all banking needs efficiently and smoothly, whenever and wherever our customers want. Looking at our performance last year, it makes me very happy that the decisive actions we took for our customers and stakeholders enabled us to deliver on our financial target and key priorities. In 2022, our return on equity was 13.5% against the target of above 11%. This was supported by a cost-to-income ratio of 47.5%. Our full-year operating profit was 5.4 billion euros, which is 9% higher than in 2021. Our total income grew by 7% to 10.3 billion euro. Our actions resulted in increased business volumes and market shares across the board. Our mortgage lending grew by 3%, our corporate lending by 9%. Our assets under management decreased by 13% due to the market turbulence. However, our private banking net flows continued to be solid, contributing 4.6 billion euro to our assets under management. As part of our actions and operations, we are integrating sustainability into the core of our business strategy. We are committed to reaching our target of net zero emissions across our lending and investment portfolios and internal operations by 2050, at the latest. We are also progressing in line with our sustainability targets. In 2022, we facilitated 58 billion euro in sustainable financing, which is well in line with our target. We also grew our ESG-focused share of assets under management from 67% to 70%. We are continuously improving our green offering to better suit the needs of our customers in all 4 business areas. Overall, our business is strong, with high credit quality, very low levels of realized loan losses, and some of the best capital, funding, and liquidity positions in Europe. We have the most diversified credit portfolio of all banks in the Nordic region, in terms of both countries and sectors. In addition, our capital position is very strong. Our year-end CET ratio was 16.4, which is 5.3 percentage points above the regulatory requirements. All in all, this makes us one of the strongest banks in Europe, with continued capital generation and, of course, shareholder returns. Our position has enabled us to actively support our customers and also be a leading bank for shareholder distributions. In 2022, we showed further progress in these areas. The proposed dividend of 0.80 per share and the share buyback implemented in 2022 equate to total distributions of more than 1.5 euro per share. As you are well aware of, dividends are important for our 565,000 shareholders. Our dividend payment support economic activity, drive growth, and channel funding towards innovation, education, and also form for support for society. That is why we are proud of our ability to support our customers through our strong balance sheet, generate capital, and pay out dividends. Dear shareholders, this year, macroeconomic uncertainty has remained high and visibility low. Even in a challenging environment, Nordea has a resilient business model, and we have proven our strength many, many times. We are ready to weather even the more difficult conditions. The same goes for the Nordic societies. As a bank, we aim to continue improving our profitability and expect return on equity to remain above 13% in 2023. This is already in line with our financial target for 2025. We plan to provide a target update by the end of 2023, when the environment will hopefully be more predictable. Meeting our financial target requires us to keep improving our performance and delivering on our 3 key priorities: creating the best omnichannel customer experience, driving focused and profitable growth, and increasing operational and capital efficiency. In addition to our key priorities, we have two key levers that run across the entire bank, being a digital leader and integrating sustainability into the core of our business. Both levers address global megatrends and will help us ensure we stay relevant for our customers. We would not have been able to support our customers and achieve strong results without our very skilled and dedicated employees. I would like to thank all of them for the great efforts during the year. I would also like to thank our board for the great support. Nordea made significant progress with Torbjørn at the helm, and we have since continued smoothly and successfully on the same path with Stephen. Let me also take the opportunity to thank you, our shareholders, and our customers, and other stakeholders for your feedback and very good cooperation. Our direction as a bank remains unchanged. For more than 200 years, we have supported our customers and helped to develop the Nordic societies. We are here to enable dreams and aspirations for greater good, in both good times and challenging times. That is also our way forward. Thank you. Tak. Kiitos.